So what I have here is this epic cordless vacuum cleaner. Now it is super high quality, which I absolutely love, and it is packed with a ton of cool features, which I'm excited to show you. As you can see here, this is where all the dust and dirt is collected, and it is pretty easy to empty. All you have to do is push this button here and flip open the top just like that. Now, when you are using it, you can hold it via this handle here with one hand, and you don't have to worry about cords getting in the way. Really easy to use. I just love the stick here because it is super high quality, really easy to adjust. It has these buttons here, which you can just hold down and basically extend it out in case you want to reach all the way to the ground. So that is really, really useful. You can see here on the back, you have the battery pack here, which has 2,200 milliamps hours of charge. This can be easily removed by just pushing this button, and it can be removed and charged separately using a cable right there. Now, the other cool thing is it's got a digital display here. So if I turn it on using this button, you'll be able to see the speed, and then in the corner, you'll be able to see how much time you have left while vacuuming. So if I turn that on, you can see that is the percentage of the battery. This is the speed. So it is super easy to use, very high quality, which I absolutely love, and it has a good amount of suction. Now with this specific head, you can see here that it's got a great range of motion, especially for carpets and wood floors. Now on the bottom, you're gonna see that when I turn this on, it is connected up electronically, so that is really, really nice. And the thing is with this vacuum, it comes with a lot of other heads, which I absolutely love. So you can see here, I've got this other head that can be used in place, as well as this basically suction cup for tight corners and edges, as well as this brush here that you can sort of extend down to clean like windows and stuff like that. So overall, it is packed with a ton of cool features. So if you're looking for an epic vacuum cleaner that you don't have to worry about cords and does a really good job with the suction cup, I would highly recommend checking this one out.